Twitter becomes X Corp as Musk advances everything app hopes. Is this official?
Yeah.
Twitter Inc. has ceased to be an independent company after merging with a newly formed shell firm called X Corp. Could you think of a more terrifying name? X Corp. Welcome to X Corp. Driving speculation about what Elon Musk intends for the social media platform. Twitter no longer exists after being merged, according to an April 4th document submitted in a California court for a lawsuit filed against the company and its former chief executive officer, Jack Dorsey. It's unclear what the change means for Twitter, which has seen a sweeping overhaul since Musk bought the company for $44 billion last year. The billionaire owner has in the past suggested that buying Twitter would be an accelerant for creating X, which he dubbed an everything app. Musk tweeted about the move Tuesday with the single character X. And he's, of course, famously had that URL, which presumably a fairly pricey URL, x.com, for a long time with nothing on it other than the letter X. An everything app, I know he's talked on Twitter about how in China they have things like WeChat, which allow for more than just social media, but instead it's also all of your content, all of your
payments,
private messaging, all of your social credit score. Yeah, payments. It's really convenient. I mean, honestly, as much as people can have their own privacy concerns with it, it's extremely convenient to the extent when you're in China, people are like, what
you don't have WeChat?
What are you trying
wrong with you?
What are you trying to pay? What? I need to talk to you later. Just tap my phone. I'm like,
Yeah.
If you don't want to have WeChat, you need to have somebody traveling with you that does to facilitate everything going on.
It's everywhere. And
Elon has mentioned it on his Twitter account in the past that there should be some sort of everything app where everything lives, everything about you, and will take care. I mean, in his case, I guess he has the head start of the car, which is sort of app operated. What are you laughing about?
But do you want like all your info to be on x.com? It's just weird. Like the naming of it, the branding, whatever it is.
Yeah, like it's
X.com.
I know it's minimal and it's kind of intriguing because it's so stark. But
it sounds menacing.
It sounds evil. I know. It sounds like your science fiction megacorp, X Corp.
Yeah, and just the symbol of it, X.
I know. It's cool though.
It is cool.
It's cool, but it's potentially evil.
Cool.
That's right. I don't know, but that's our preconceptions as well. I don't know. But anyway, 3:03 a.m. he tweets X, and everything's going to live under there now, I guess. Twitter, which no longer has a team handling media queries, did not immediately comment on questions sent by Bloomberg News. Lawyers for the law firm representing Twitter in the case also did not immediately respond with comment, but I think it's a matter of time here. Mm-hmm. I don't think Twitter, the name will be gone. It'll just
live under X somehow, like as a
live under
sibling
X.
company or
live
child company
under X. Well, you already got Google under Alphabet. Alphabet's kind of evil too. I don't know. It's a little friendlier but it seems almost what would you say, like intentionally childish to appear to be friendly. Alphabet. Yeah. Who's responsible? Alphabet Inc.
Menacing.
Corp. It can also, you can take any of these things. I don't know.